What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today we had Jerome Powell, and boy, if you look at this price action here, he did not disappoint at all. How many of you guys took our advice from yesterday? Just taking the day off. Look at this. I mean, look at the whole day for you to pretty much end nowhere. Like you spent the whole day for us to end nowhere. You gotta love it, right? You gotta love it. So, what are we going to expect for tomorrow? Well, tomorrow, really quickly on the docket for economic data, we've got continuing jobless claims, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's 1 hour before the market open, and then we have some GDP numbers as well. So we should see, right? We should see some decent movement tomorrow morning. Let's see. I have no idea if it's going to be a big move, but we should have a little bit of something going on right there about an hour before the open. And 30 minutes after the open, we have pending home sales. I think today we had actual home sales. Tomorrow is pending home sales. More economic data when it comes to the housing market. I believe we had a miss today on the home sales. So we'll see tomorrow what's going to be pending, and then more economic data the following day on Friday. But for tomorrow, some data to be paying attention to 1 hour before market open, and then 30 minutes after the market open. So today, I mean, it's about as pretty straightforward. Now we just got to break and hold this for 46.10, 46.10, 46.10, 46.10 to the upside takes us 46.21, 46.31 above there. We have to break and hold above that. Do we want to just stay in this balance zone? Right. As you can see, guys, look, we're just building out a really nice little balance zone in here. Right, multiple touches to the top. So it's either going to reject or we're going to break and get a higher low, right? And that's where you can take the long there above, take you up now about 20 points above there. That'd be great. If not, I still like my bounce level here at 45.60. 45.60 if we get lower. But on the count that we raise rates today, they're going to start talking about, quantitative tightening, and we couldn't even get below 45.75, really. All right. I think Bulls pretty much got bears by the bears by the balls right now, as well as I think Meta was up. They're up like 20 points after hours, which is why we could have seen a little bit of movement to the upside on their ER. So I think everything's poised for us to go up. So any dips tomorrow, any dips into 45.80 to 45.85. I do like this area to see if we can then target 46.10, 46.31 above there. SPY chart, what we got going on with the SPY chart? Going to look very, very, very similar here. Where do we come down to? All right, we talked about this area, 453.50, 453.50 area. We came down, almost kissed it right on the goddamn mouth. Right. So that's all we got. We came right back up to this 457, though, about a penny from it. So today, let's watch this, see if we get any dips into 455. 455 served as some resistance this morning. Okay. And then we jumped up, and now we seem to hold it in this after hour session so far. So I think this 455 area, I'll be looking for any dips into this area, maybe even down to 454, 454 to 454.50, 455 at this area in here. I want to see if we get any dips to hold, target 457, and then pretty much I think 458, 460 above there is where you'd want to be looking. If we do get underneath this 453, I still think 452 still a great bounce zone, even higher bounce opportunity down here at 450.50. I would definitely be looking to the long side there. QQQ, what's going on with the Qs in tech land? Okay, lots of sideways movement. Whoever the bastard was that got in down here, what a lucky son of a bitch. But I think the same thing. We talked about what? We talked about 375 today, holding 374 to 375. We said that yesterday we wanted that level to hold, to be the bottom, right? To be the bottom. We played the bounce. And if you did, you rolled that up about almost 5 points right up here to the high. So very nice. Tomorrow, watch this 378. That's where this overnight session is starting so far. We had some resistance this morning. So let's see, 378. Take out 380, though. It's all about this 380. Open it up 380, 384, 386, 389. Above there, if we do get under 374, 372 is our bounce area here. IWM, last one for you guys before we get the hell on out of here. As we can see, what held? 140. Wow, I am all over the place. 194.50. Remember, we talked about these multiple little bottoms in here. 194, then we're making some higher lows. I didn't think we were going to get down to 193.50. We got down to 194.50 and bounced right on up. And then we close. We actually looks like we close just above that 140, 196.50, 196.50. As you can see, this huge reject that we had up here is where we came to today. So we got to take out today's high. Taking out today's high pretty much is going to open up new highs. I think 199 to 200 comes. If not, I would think maybe a possible liquidity grab down to 193.50 underneath 194 could be a bounce zone for you. And other than that, guys, that's all I got for you. You got to wake up early, get your levels right. Of course, not do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.